Hi everyone. I just want to record a quick video for you guys so that we can review CEI, and actually now, we're adding another EI there. So I just want to point out some resources that you already have at home so that this will help you write your CEI EI about Romeo and Juliet. All right. So this resource is something that you already have at home with you. Originally, or normally I should say, we write an essay. We're not writing an essay. Okay, we're just writing one paragraph. So that means no introduction. Oh, you can't really see my lines. There you go. No introduction. We don't need the second body paragraph. And we don't need the conclusion. Okay. We only need one paragraph. So we're going to have our claim, evidence, interpretation, evidence, interpretation. That's our CEI EI. Everyone's claim is going to be pretty similar. You're going to choose the character that you think is most responsible for the death of Romeo and Juliet. Okay? And then we want a clear reason here why that character is responsible. When you choose a quote, you want to make sure that you format it just like this. You have your lead-in, your quote, and your citation. This is just a little reminder for you that you should try putting some context in the lead-in. So this is an example. Okay? As Romeo sips the poison that will result in his death, he declares, this one is a somebody says type lead-in, right? But we also have other options of blended lead-ins or full sentence lead-ins. Okay? If you put this context in the lead-in, you only need to write 2 sentences here for the interpretation. Okay, this is something we talked about in class right before we left, but we're going to also make sure that we have a transition. Okay, which could be also, additionally, in addition to, because you are going to put a second piece of evidence demonstrating why the character you chose is responsible. So this EI should follow the same format as this EI. I'm going to suggest that you might want to try to find your first piece of evidence from the beginning to middle of the play. Okay? And then maybe try to find the second piece of evidence from the end of the play. Okay? Because you want to demonstrate that that character contributed to the death of Romeo and Juliet throughout the whole play. Okay, so remember, your claim is 1 sentence. Evidence is 1 sentence.
That's okay, Eric. If you,
interpretation, 2 or maybe 3 sentences. evidence, 1 sentence. And then your final interpretation, 2, maybe 3 sentences, right? Because we always want to make sure that we have a powerful, concluding
That's okay as long as you think it's neat and
statement
you think I can read it, and that's perfect.
at the end. Okay? All right. I hope this was helpful. And I will be chatting with you guys a little later today on Zoom so I can answer any of your questions. All right. See you later.